All right, we're back in business. I don't want a packing slip, I want a catalog. Okay, so we got a new high performance model here. This is for the dogs to play
Race
with.
performance only.
These are for the dogs to run around on. So, it's a 1973 with an X90.
We're not exactly sure.
Did you open the book up yet? What are you doing over there? You got a book right there, you should know exactly what it is.
Excuse me.
I think you want something. What is it?
This one is an X90.
That's what we got, X90. It's an X90. Part number.
I think it almost looks like the old stock.
It's not new, it's got used. It's supposed to be new. Yeah, see, that's because it's used. There's got tape on it. Do you care? It works.
No.
Are your fingers clean? Go clean your fingers.
Yeah, my hands are dirty.
Okay, so to figure out what the hell year you got to look in a parts book. Tells you what year stuff is, because you have to work on them. You have to get parts. So somewhere there's a VIN number. Usually it's on these lightweight bikes. It's somewhere back here in the case somewhere. I'm not seeing that one now. So this has been sitting for a couple years, decades, millenniums. Where's your VIN number at?
Right here. I think it's listed twice, but you have one right here. It's the easiest one to access.
Throw it back there. If you had a light on. Lights on. So there's the VIN number.
Right here.
What's it say? H3 is 73.
So I get 2D10696H3.
H3 is the VIN number.
Excuse me.
Okay, so you go in your parts book. You open it up, and it says right here what you have. What D is it? 2D?
Yes, sir.
2D is a X90.
Yeah, 2D.
2D, it says right there. X90.
So we know for sure what it is now, at least.
Now, 10,000 and up is the year of production, so they made 10,000 was the first bike made for 73 for Harley.
Okay.
So the first bike they made would have been 10,001.
So we have 10. You said that's all models, right?
That's everything.
All Harley.
Starts at 1. Every bike they make, they go up one number.
Okay, so we got 1,000.
1,059 and 6.
1,006.
So that's 10,696.
So this is 696 bike, right?
So 696 bike made in 73, which means it was made in 72 because they've had 2 months of production. So no turn signals are required on this bike in California. I think it's a federal law too. So
Yeah, if it didn't come with them, they don't have to run them, right?
it doesn't, no, it's just, it was not mandatory until January 1st of 73 to have turn signals on the bike. So as long as it's made before that and you can prove it, you don't need them. Whether it came with it or not, doesn't matter, you can take the damn things off. But, because they were an option. So this bike being 696 bike made, there ain't no damn way it was made in 73. So it's an early production. Now the problem is every bike that we see does not have these big wheels on it. And the side stand's got a 4x4 in it right now, so that's a clue that those wheels are probably not stock. So if you look in this parts book here, this has every part made, and you had to supplement for the later bike, and it didn't have the wheels either, did it?
Yeah, I'm going to say I opened it and there was that.
Now there's your seat, and it kind of looks like that seat. Taper in the back, see? So the seat's correct. The other thing I noticed on all the picture of the bikes is your bike is chrome. See all the stuff, these taillight stuff's all chrome. All the other bikes in the pictures are black. It's chrome exhaust, they're always black. This one's all chrome. So either someone did a lot of chroming on this bike, or it's a special model and they had big wheels and they chromed the crap out of everything. The other thing was the tank badge is different. I mean, the badge, the paint scheme. Here, hold up. So I didn't clean mine here, so I'm all right. So here's your stickers and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So the stickers were,
The sticker looks right. Huh.
but they were short. And they had a different color. They were red, white, and blue.
Uh-huh.
They were short. Now look at your stickers. See how these are shorter?
Should go around the tank. Yeah. See how that one's cut to go around the tank instead of mine goes the whole way.
Yes. But yours are really long. So
Yep.
they're longer than width. They are shorter than width.
Right.
So I've never seen this paint scheme, and the pit stickers in the book do not show this. Anyway, if it's an early production bike, it should match the book, because the book was made before the models hit the street.
Does it show wheels? I wonder if it shows two different sizes in
So
there.
every bike that I've seen has this style badge, and these are red, white, and blue. They're not single color like yours, white. But these are obviously stock, so that tank hasn't been repainted. So this bike is just a weird bike, so we don't know what the hell it really is. It's some kind of a special thing. And the speedometer, you got a speedo? There's no speedo?
There was one, but it it internally imploded on itself.
Should look like that.
Yeah.
Does that mean you don't have it?
Yeah. That means I'm looking for one.
13 is exhaust. Muffler. Muffler with baffle. It doesn't say a color, but they're always black in the pictures. So they only show one. The bracket back here is chrome on your bike, and on the other, all the pictures I've seen is black. So it does not say anything about being chrome. But all this, everything on the bike other than that's the same. You got them fold up bars on
Yeah,
it.
it's so cool. These pull this lever, the head almost drop down so you can slide it into a small car. Hatchback or a
Fingers all match. Here's
Really
the
neat.
bars. Seat again. Foot pegs. Yeah, it's got foot pegs on it. Here's the wheels.
It's got like full-size Harley foot pegs on it.
So these are stamped steel wheels,
Yep.
and you are spoke. And the drums are all different too, because those are spoke. Now the X90, which was basically it's a Baja. It had big wheel. They had 19s and 21s on it, I think, or 18s and 19s. These are 15s.
15s.
But they would have had the spoke hub, so you could have had the hubs off that bike on this bike, and then somebody laced and trued it for a small rim because the big wheels wouldn't fit in those fenders. So that'd be my guess. If it's not a stock thing that was done, that's probably what somebody else did to get better, different wheels and stuff on it. Because see, this book only shows these wheels. And all the pictures I've ever seen only show these wheels. So see, the hubs are different because these wheels are different. So all of this stuff is different than what you have.
Yeah.
So I think if you get an X90 book or a Z90 book, it'll probably show these hubs.
So I have those hubs. I have those wheels. I can show them to you. Hold on.
You have these stock wheels, but the thing is, what are these off of?
Right.
I think they're off of the Z90 and somebody just retrofitted it on.
I think I have a roller to the
And I think
60.
I think they chromed everything, so.
I think it's to a 60.
And I think they chromed everything inside to make it fancy. And then it just comes down to why is the stripes like that, so that's still separate, and that's paint, so I don't, or those are stickers, but who would peel the stickers off and make custom stickers? That doesn't make sense.
Yeah. I just thought really old. I don't think you're doing that back then.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna pull the head and cylinder off and see what's going on with the rings and that, and it looks like they need an oil tank plug for the plug. 73 is the first year of oil injection on the Harley, and this is the tank for it, and there's some kind of a plug. It's a level plug, so we need one of those. Somebody knows about it, and we're probably gonna need something in the piston department, so we'll see. I need to put some air in the tire. That one's got air in it. This one's flat.
All right.
All right, we'll be back.